What if I told you that struggling to get out of a chair isn't just getting older, but a fixable vitamin deficiency that 8 out of 10 people over 50 have right now? I'm about to share 3 vitamins that can rebuild your leg strength in weeks, not months. But here's what shocked me most. Most people think weak, shaky legs are just part of aging. They accept needing help to stand up, holding on to walls when walking, or feeling unsteady on stairs. But here's the reality. Your legs lose strength first because they're screaming for specific nutrients. And every day you wait, you lose 1 to 3% more muscle mass. The good news? Science shows 3 key vitamins can reverse this process. No gym membership required. Comment FIT if you're ready to feel steady on your legs again. Now, before I reveal these 3 game-changing vitamins, let me ask you something. Have you noticed it's harder to get up from low chairs, or maybe your legs feel heavy after a short walk? That's not weakness, that's your body asking for help. After helping thousands of people over 50 regain their strength, I've discovered these 3 vitamins work like a targeted repair system for your legs. Vitamin number 1, vitamin D, but not the way you think. Most people take vitamin D for bones, but here's what they don't know. It's actually your muscle repair powerhouse. Clinical studies show that people with optimal vitamin D levels have 19% stronger legs than those who are deficient. Here's how to get it right. Sun exposure, 15 to 20 minutes daily, but that's not enough for most of us. Food sources, fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, fortified dairy. Supplements, look for D3 form, 1,000 to 2,000 IUs daily with breakfast. Pro tip that changes everything? Take it with healthy fats like avocado or nuts. Vitamin D needs fat to absorb. Most people miss this step and waste their money. Comment FIT if you're with me so far. Now, vitamin number 2 is the one that surprised me most. It's hiding in plain sight, but 40% of seniors are severely deficient. Vitamin B12, your muscle-brain connection vitamin. Imagine trying to text someone, but your phone has no signal. That's what happens when you're B12 deficient. Your brain can't properly communicate with your leg muscles. Result, weakness, tingling, and that unsteady feeling. Here's the senior-specific approach. Food sources: meat, fish, dairy, fortified cereals. The absorption problem? After 50, your stomach produces less acid, making B12 harder to absorb. The solution? Sublingual tablets under the tongue. Or ask your doctor about B12 shots. Dosage: 500 to 1,000 micrograms daily. Bonus, B12 also helps your red blood cells carry more oxygen to working muscles. Double benefit for leg strength. Vitamin number 3, vitamin E, your circulation enhancer. Picture this. Your leg muscles are like a garden, and blood flow is the water. Without proper circulation, even the strongest muscles wither. Vitamin E acts like a garden hose repair kit, improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. Research shows people with adequate vitamin E have better endurance and faster recovery. Here's how to get it. Food sources: almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, avocado. Supplement form, look for mixed tocopherols, not just alpha tocopherol. Dosage: 100 to 200 IUs daily with your main meal. Stack it smart, combined with vitamin C for enhanced antioxidant power. But here's where most people go wrong. They take these vitamins randomly and wonder why they don't work. The FitFixen stacking method: morning, vitamin D with breakfast, remember add healthy fats. Mid-morning, B12 sublingual on empty stomach for best absorption. Lunch, vitamin E with your main meal. Evening, light movement, even 10 minutes of walking helps your body use these nutrients 300% better. Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling more stable on your feet. Picture standing up from chairs without that moment of hesitation. Think about walking upstairs with confidence again. That's not wishful thinking. That's what proper nutrition can do for your body at any age. If this opened your eyes to what's possible, subscribe and hit that bell to stay strong after 50. For my complete anti-aging routine and the exact supplements I recommend, check the channel bio link below. And watch next, Eat this morning food to stop muscle loss and build stronger legs at 60 plus because nutrition and supplements work even better together. Stay strong, stay independent, and remember, your best years are still ahead of you.